The old train ticket. Ryan was a 22-year-old college student. He loved traveling and meeting new people. One Saturday morning, he decided to clean his bedroom because it was full of old books, clothes, and boxes. While cleaning, he found a small wooden box under his bed. It was dusty and looked very old. Inside the box, he discovered an old train ticket. The date on the ticket was almost 20 years old. Ryan became curious. He showed the ticket to his grandmother. She smiled and said, "That ticket has a beautiful story." She told Ryan that many years ago, his grandfather was traveling by train to another city for an important job interview. During the journey, he met a young woman who looked worried. She had lost her purse and had no money for food. Your grandfather shared his lunch with her and even gave her enough money to reach her destination safely before leaving the train. The young woman thanked him and said, "One day I will help someone just as you helped me." Ryan listened carefully. "Did you ever meet her again?" he asked. His grandmother smiled and shook her head. "No," she said, "but your grandfather always believed that kindness never disappears. It travels from one person to another." Ryan looked at the old ticket again. It was just a small piece of paper, but it carried a wonderful memory. The next day, Ryan was waiting at a bus stop when he saw an elderly man trying to carry two heavy bags. Without thinking, Ryan walked over and offered to help. The old man thanked him warmly. As they talked, the man said, "Young people like you give me hope." Ryan smiled. He remembered his grandfather's story and felt proud. That evening, he placed the old train ticket back into the wooden box. This time, he added a small note. The note read, "Today I helped someone, because kindness should never end." Years later, Ryan planned to show the box to his own children. He wanted them to know that even a small act of kindness can inspire another person to do something. Sometimes a simple object is not valuable because of its price. It is valuable because of the memories and lessons it carries. Ryan realized that the old train ticket was not just a ticket. It was a reminder that kindness can travel farther than any train. Moral: a small act of kindness can continue from one generation to another. Thanks for watching.